Okay.
Just sorry. No, sorry. I opened lesson 16. Okay.
Melina, did you take the test yet?
What?
Did you take the quiz?
Yes. The quiz.
How did you do?
What I do? What did I do?
How did you do on it? Did you get 100%?
Oh, I never submitted.
Oh, you didn't submit it. Okay. Okay.
But I can.
No, that's okay. I submitted mine and did terrible on it. So hopefully we can figure it out together.
I never submit.
Okay.
I did, but after when we talk.
Okay.
I have answers. So my answers.
I am in 18 pretty much. I'm about 17 and 18. That's the only last two that I need. I believe 17 it must be fail to reject the null hypothesis. And which of the following summarize the conclusion of this test?
So if we fail to reject it, it's insufficient evidence.
The option that I want is not there.
17? 17, 18?
Yeah. What do you have?
Yeah, I got 17 failed to reject the null hypothesis.
I put reject.
You have reject the null hypothesis?
Yeah, I put this. It's wrong.
Which one did you put, Cassie?
I didn't. I'm not that far in the quiz yet.
Oh, I can try that. I will try it.
8. Emmanuel.
Yes, the 18.
18. I put there is sufficient evidence to conclude that water quality in the area has decreased.
Has decreased the insufficient. So what is a C? There is insufficient evidence that conclude that water quality is the area has decreased. Correct?
I put this. I don't be Did you check the other answers or not?
Oh yeah, we're gonna review it. Just I'm trying to submit and see if it's correct.
Okay, let me see. Okay. Okay.
No, I got 3 wrong.
Was 17 one of them?
17. It is reject to null hypothesis. That's correct, and the one that I I understood there is the option C is not the correct one. And I have wrong 15.
So it would be B for 18, wouldn't it? Did you have B or D, Melina?
The question
18. B like boy?
Dog.
Mm.
Dog.
D like dog. Sorry.
I will submit this just a second. Okay, I just checked my. I will submit now. Okay, let me see. $100.
Okay, so it was D then.
So what do you have for 15?
15 is minus 2.282.
Oh, minus 2 point. Okay, you
The Z scores your test statistic.
mean minus 0.2824?
No, minus 2.282.
Minus 2.282. Got it.
Yes.
Okay, should we go over the test that we can?
Yeah.
Right.
So question 3, I have C.
Yeah. For the
Yeah.
requirement for conducting a confidence interval are satisfied according to the previous information. It's true.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the requirements for conducting a hypothesis test are satisfied. Is that true as well?
Yes, that's true as well.
The question.
Okay, I have a question
5.
on 5. Yeah, 5 is
Question.
true.
Oh, it's true. Okay.
Sorry. I have a question on 6 though. Is 6 the one that you put into the Excel sheet? Would X be 45 and N be 60? Or am I totally off? So is 6 0.75?
In 6, no, the answer is 0.75.
Okay.
So yes, it's in the Excel
75,
spreadsheet.
0.
Yes, you
So,
need to use that Excel.
so if I go into the Excel spreadsheet and I put 45, I put for X 45 and N is 60, my confidence level I leave at 0.95. that correct?
Let me open mine because I just closed it.
I calculated. I didn't use the Excel. I calculate.
If you didn't use the Excel, how do you do it, Melina?
No, I didn't use the Excel for this exercise, but I just 45 over 60, and I have a 0.7.
And then how did you get 7 and 8? Did you put that in Excel?
Okay, no, I calculate.
You did the calculation the long way. Okay. I'm just not sure what to put in the hypothesis box on these ones. Do I just put it as 0?
Where the
On the Excel sheet, if I use the Excel sheet.
I just no, I didn't use.
Melina, what?
Let me
I
see.
mean, Cassie, which Excel are you using?
The one sample Z test for a proportion.
Okay.
Okay. case, I I use the Excel
Uh-huh.
in question 8 and 9, and I think it's easier.
Okay.
And the question question 7, I use the did you do the homework?
Yeah, so I have that formula right here.
Yeah, I use the formula,
Okay.
the 1.960, and the square,
Uh-huh.
yes, I think so. 0.75, 0.75,
Okay.
parentheses 1 minus 0.7 over 60.
So did you get 0.109?
Yeah, I think it's a 0.1095. I think so. I don't be sure. I don't remember. 0.1095. That's it?
Uh-huh. Yeah, that's what I got. I just did it on my calculator. I got it.
Okay. And I rounded, I put the 0.110.
Okay. Thank you. I think that was my confusion, was where to find that, and it's not on the, I think you have to use the formula on that one. So we can go on.
There's no way to use a Excel spreadsheet.
Not for the
Not
margin of error.
this. Yeah.
So for 8, did you get 0.640?
0.640.
Emmanuel, is that what you got?
8.860. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so on number 10, if you increase the sample size from 60 to 80, what do you expect to happen with the width of the confidence interval? So if you increase your sample size, you'll decrease the width, correct?
Correct.
Oh, good. Okay.
Mhm.
To conduct a hypothesis test for one proportion, two requirements must be met. Suppose P equals 1/2. What is the smallest and can be on both requirements still be met? I'm trying to remember how I did this. What I got is 20, but I don't know. I'm not sure.
Yeah. Yeah, I put 20.
20, right? Okay.
Are you tired, Emmanuel?
Yeah.
Wow. I see in your face.
Sorry, guys. I was up last
No, it's
night really
okay.
late. I had something to do for work. So I was up and I woke up this morning really early.
Okay, so then is 12 100?
Yes.
Oh, perfect. Okay, I
100.
just figured that out. That just clicked. I couldn't figure out how to do those till just now.
where the condition for conducting a hypothesis test are satisfied according to the previous questions, which I'm now going to read. It's true.
Okay.
Yeah. What's the p-hat? 0.475.
Yeah, but I don't know how I missed the 16 when I got that. Anyway, the one that I have for 15 for the test statistic is 0.011.
For 16, yeah.
Yes, which was 0.0105 something or something like that. I don't remember.
Okay. And then we decided 17 was reject and 18 was D, the last one.
D. Yeah.
Yeah, just confirm the 16 is minus 2.284.
I typed it, minus 2.282.
Oh, correct. Okay, thank you. Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you, thank you.
We have another test next week, right?
Yes, I think so. Let me look real quick. No.
What?
There's one in week 11.
Wait, for some reason, it marked me incorrect, the 16. It says that I'm wrong. I put minus 2.282.
16.
Oh, moron. No. Oh, my mistake. Man. It's my fault. I mixed the answers.
Oh, shoot.
So, anyway, oh, it's what it is.
Send him an email. Maybe he'll change it.
Yeah. I'll do that.
Does anybody have an idea for our final project?
Well,
Well, he put some information in the board, in the main board. With announcements.
That said don't use M&Ms?
Yeah. That one exactly. It's okay, that design study. So what product should we use? What company? What do you think, guys?
I haven't really thought about it. Have you?
all of them that I've been thinking that I thought they require a lot of work.
I know.
So, because
I wonder if Artie has an idea.
Melina, do you have any idea? I mean, I was thinking probably something like an airline or
No.
but it requires too much data information. And maybe cereals or something.
Mm. Ah,
So if you go to the content in your website, but in the class information, and you go to the final project at the bottom after week 14,
Uh-huh.
we have the project review or things like instructions. So the final project overview. It's pretty much said what should we be doing for this week. So design the study, which it will be this week. So we were supposed to be designing or deciding the way that we're going to approach. Let's see. So really quickly, if you open the Word document, it says final project design the study. Your project must be approved by your teacher before you can collect any data. So we must choose it according to this document. List the name of your group members, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So pretty much is that please write below which groups members will be main writers for each step on the project. The main writer will be the one to collect everyone's ideas and suggestions. They are then responsible to send out the document for feedbacks and apply for feedback to the document before submitting it. The writer can assign all different parts of the writing as well. For example, if you are in charge of describe the data, you could ask one or your other group members to create and label the charts and send them to you to graft it into the main document. So pretty much is going on and asking questions, general questions. So what we could do is put a document on Google
So
Drive.
Artie had an idea. He said we could do something with flight delays, pick different airlines and see what their delay percentages are, and we could test it using ANOVA. If that's something you want to do. I asked him if he had time that he could do the design the study part this week. If he wanted to do the design the study, then we could all collect data on a different airline this week based on the flight delays in the past year or something.
I thought the same about the airline, but it's seriously it's too much data to collect. I mean, we can try to do that. Yeah, I don't know how he's gonna grade this project. It doesn't, at least I haven't read anything saying about how much percentage the project is gonna take onto the class.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you guys have a better idea that I do. Excuse me. Because I mean, it's really important to. I need
the grade too. I'm at that point.
I mean, I need a push. So I'm currently not as great. I mean, really low, really, really low.
Yeah, I am too.
So I have complications with my first test, and that pretty much dropped me really low. So.
He's just reading emails, so just hold on 1 second.
Mhm. Do we need to send this week? Is correct?
Yeah, we have to have step 1 done by this week. Artie said he can write it. He can design the study. He's just about to his final destination, he said. So I'm just waiting for him to email me back.
Okay.
Is he still driving, or he said that he's moving, right, across the country?
Yeah,
or
he said
something?
he's moving.
Wow.
He said there's a website where we literally grab all the data we need. It's fairly easy. We can pick the data for 5 years and pick an airline and just get the info we need. So should we just do it?
Sure, he never said anything. He only said not to do M&Ms.
Not to do M&Ms. Well, we can send him an email tonight and ask him.
His opinion?
Yeah.
In fact, I'm gonna send an email to him right now about my test.
Okay. So Artie said he'll do the designing the study part. I'm going to email Brother Bennett and make sure that that's okay if we do that project. And then I will send out an email as soon as he emails me back.
All right. If you want, we can be copied in the email.
Okay. Yeah, for sure. I will. Yep. I'll just copy all of us in it. That will work. And then let's go from there. And if we need to meet again this week sometime, then we'll just have to make it work. I didn't realize this was due this week. So.
Yeah.
But my grade's in jeopardy too. I've got to be serious about it. So.
Just, I have a question. Just one person send the idea, or each members of the group send one?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you well enough.
Okay. Sorry. Just one member in the group send the email for the brother, or each members need to
What it
send?
says here, let me read it again to you. What it says, please below which groups members. Oh, I'll just copy it and put it in there in the chat. So pretty much what it says is that one could be the responsible submitting the information, and everyone else can contribute. And in fact, it's encouraged that the person in charge of the writer can design or assign with someone else to edit the information. So it says the writer can assign now different parts of the writing as well. For example, if you are in charge of describe the data, you could ask one of your other group members to create a label and chart the chart and send them to you grafted in the main document. So the idea is that what I'm understanding, and correcting me if I'm wrong, is that not a lot of people edit the document or the information that is not like miscommunication or things like that. So that one person is keeping track of how is the document followed.
Yeah. So I can do that. I don't mind.
So I can work in collecting the data if it's easy for me to do that.
Okay, and I think we all have to do that. So we'll probably just get with Artie and figure out what website he's talking about, and then we can all submit part of that. But we need someone to be a main writer for describing the data. Do one of you want to do that?
I can describe the data, but yeah, I don't find an issue doing that.
And then step 4, make inference. Does somebody want to do that one? I'm happy to do the PowerPoint at the end.
Okay, all of this is for this week. Okay, all this is steps. Step 1, write the design study. Step 2, everyone's write up and submit their collect the data documents. Also, it says that everyone should be doing this. It's write up,
Yeah.
they submit their collect data. 3, main writer will describe the data also. Okay.
So that's you, Emmanuel, right?
Sure, I can do that.
Okay.
Main,
If I do 4, Melina, can you do step 5, the main writer for take action?
Okay.
all right. So
And then
what we
Artie,
need,
Artie and I will do the PowerPoint. I'm pretty good at PowerPoints, so.
okay.
Okay, let me copy this and you guys tell me if we're good.
Yeah, I need to, what it needs to be defined is exactly what it means to this in these steps to write the data. I mean, because I don't know, I mean, what is it? Just collecting the data and filtering, or what is exactly wanting here? Main writer would describe the data. Okay, I'm sure just to describe what the information is or something.
Yeah, I think what information we found, you'll just have to write that in English terms.
Okay, main writer describe the data. Okay, let me see here. Set the sample. All right, for that I will need, are you emailing him back and forth?
Yeah, I'm emailing him right now.
If you want, copy me in the email that I
Yep.
want to ask what source he's talking about for the main data, that information.
He's
Great.